Welcome back to the Tracey Show. Today I'm going to be sharing with you an unboxing, I already did a sneak peek, of this beautiful fabric from Melanated Fabrics. So I have received some wonderful fabrics from Melanated Fabrics. If you're not familiar, Melanated Fabrics is a minority owned and female owned fabric store based out of Atlanta, Georgia. So I'm excited to be able to partner with them and share some of their beautiful fabrics. So when you receive your fabrics, you're gonna receive a nice, beautiful card from Miss Mimi G and Miss Brittany Jones. So that's the picture of the store inside. And then on the back is just a nice note sharing thanks for the purchase of your fabric. So I love that. And I always keep these because it's such a cute souvenir that they've worked on here. All right, are y'all ready? I know y'all see that sneak peek here. Look at this. Look at this. I'm so happy about this right here. I love this so much. This is called a Picasso Poplin on their website. Beautiful colors. I mean, you have all of the colors you can imagine to make something wonderful. I'll move this box out the way. So I just love these beautiful colors, and I'm gonna need you guys' help on this because I need help on deciding what to make. I have so many ideas in my head and I just really don't know which one I should choose. But this is a beautiful color. Look at all those colors. And you have a little bit of tropical vibe here, as well as just some abstract like designs on here. I see like a lightning bolt right there, a little plant leaf, and just all kinds of cute shapes and things of that nature. So I'm so excited. So my first idea is here. It's a cute dress. I love it. I saw it online. I said, yes, I like that. So I'm thinking I can replicate that and make out of this with some puff sleeves, that nice neckband, a nice button down situation here. And I probably just do a tie belt for the belt section. That's my first idea. And then my second one is this simplicity pattern. I think that'll be cute as well. You know, it's kind of a similar vibe, just the same button down, nice neckband. You have those roll up sleeves. I think that would be awesome as well. So I'm not sure yet, but this fabric you can do so much with. You can do a nice little button down crop top, or a button down, just a button down shirt. A nice blouse, you know, so much. A cute wrap dress would be pretty with this. So many things. You can do some nice wide leg pants and have you a nice crop top to go with it. Just so many things. I love it so much. So I have about 3 yards of this. And the great thing that Miss Mimi G and Miss Brittany does is they tag their fabric. So it gives you all your care instructions, the name of the fabric, the amount, you know, all the important details so that you'll have in order to take care of your fabric and different things you can do with it once you get it. So yes, leave me a comment. Let me know, what do you guys think I can do with this beautiful fabric here? Because this is a statement type fabric, so you're not gonna see this everywhere. And you know, when you make something with it, you really want something that's gonna really pop and just really like make the best use of something so beautiful as this. Love it, love it, love it. This is called Picasso Poplin in black and blue. My next fabric is this beautiful teal blue. It's called Bella Boucle Teal. Love it, love it, love it. Now this right here, OMG. Warm, cozy, perfect for your fall and your winter months that's coming up. So I have about 3 yards of this as well. For this, and it has a nice stretch to it as well, I'm gonna do a jacket and make an accessory to go with it. So I love this so much. Love it, love it, love it. And this feels so nice and warm. It feels good on your skin as is, but I'm gonna put a lining on it just so you can have that more of a cozy, sleek, you know, feel good on your skin when you wear it. And I'm gonna be doing simplicity pattern here. yes, I can't wait. I'm gonna cut into this really soon because it's starting to cool off. So I need to have something like this. It's a go-to, put this on, run my errands, do whatever. And you have a cute jacket. Love it, love it, love it. And they have a lot of different colors on this on their website, but this blue just really stuck out to me. This teal color really stuck out to me, and I said I need to have this in my life. Also, for this, something like this, you can definitely do like a coordinating piece, a sweatshirt and some pants, because it does have that stretch. You could do, you know, like a sweater, you know, like a long, you know, coat. You know, it's thick enough to make like a coat once you put your lining with it and all the things that's necessary to make a coat. But this is so cute. I love it so much. I'm just thankful for these fabrics, and I can't wait to cut into them. So yes, thank you so much for watching The Tracey Show. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.